Hello, my name is Darren Cronian, and in today's video, I want to share with you a useful hack that is going to save you so much time and also reduce the risk of you getting rejected or ghosted for your next remote job. So let's pretend you are applying for this job here on We Work Remotely. If you haven't checked out this site, I highly recommend that you do. It is an excellent remote job board. So we want to apply for this role as a customer support agent. And as you can see, there is a lot of information in this job listing, and it's going to take some time to consume it, make notes, and think about what you need to do to your resume to increase your chances of getting an interview. Now, as you know, a lot of companies, when it comes to remote jobs, use applicant tracking systems. And this task that we're going to do today is going to help you combat one of the issues, and that is not using keywords from the job listing in your resume. So what we are going to do is go to ChatGPT. Now, I have not logged in, I don't have an account, so you don't have to sign up and pay for ChatGPT Plus to do this. You can just go to the website, which I'll leave a link in the description, along with this prompt. Now, a prompt is a command that you give this tool. It's an artificial intelligence tool. And as you can see here from my prompt, I've written some details. So I've put here, you are a remote job seeker and it's time to tailor your resume. Please visit the job listing below, which is this job here, the website address. And what did we get to? Oh yeah, and highlight the most common keywords, identify hard and soft skills, personality traits, and required experience. Also include a section where you highlight the most important details about the job. And then we've listed the website address from here, as you can see. Then we're going to click the button here, and what it's going to do within seconds is go through all of the job listing details. It's going to give you the key details like the salary, the responsibilities, a bit of information about the company. It's also going to share the most common keywords like customer support, SaaS, those kind of keywords that you must include in your resume to increase your chances of getting shortlisted for an interview. Then it's going to go through the hard skills, the soft skills, and the personality traits, and also go through the required and desired experience. Now, it will also give you some additional information, why this role might be attractive, and the important highlights. This is all super useful information that's going to save you so much more time just by putting in the prompt, which by the way I will leave in the description, and you are going to be able to just copy and paste this information into a Google Doc or a Word document and then tailor your resume and make sure that you've got these keywords that are highlighted here, that you've got these skills included in your resume, of course, ensuring that you can do these skills and you do have this experience. But this is a great way to quickly find out what details need to be included in your resume. I really do hope that this has been useful. It's my first time doing this kind of video, and It's like a behind the shoulders look at the tasks that I do personally and also with my clients when applying for remote jobs. So if you did find this video useful, please do tell me in the comments, and then I know to create more videos like this. And on the screen, I will leave a link to another video that I feel you should check out, and please do subscribe to the channel. See you all very soon. Take care.